जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 33rd श्लोक. Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, "Oh Krishna, after we defeat all these Kauravas and conquer this entire kingdom, all the pleasures, all the comforts, we are supposed to be enjoying with all of our relatives, right? Then, after we kill all of our relatives here, whom with we are all going to be enjoying all these comforts and pleasures, Krishna. Look at them. All my relatives came down to the battlefield, giving up their lives, ready to give up their lives." Like this, Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, with this meaning running in our mind, visualizing that we are sitting in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma in the shoes of Arjuna, and Krishna Paramatma giving Gitopadesam to us directly. Now let us chant the sloka. Yesha mardhe kankshitam no rajyam bhogaha सुखानि च तैमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणान् त्यक्त्वा धनानि च। The moral from this sloka that which we have to practice. Yes, it is right. It is good intention to enjoy all the comforts with the people around you and with all your relatives. But just because of that, only for that reason, you should not be giving up your responsibilities and duties. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna says, make sure you carry me in every of your thought. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on transforming all your actions as service to me. Keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on feeling that, have a great feeling that Krishna, I am your belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita to all the devotees. If you do like this, I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sins, and you will become my most beloved devotee. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall not give up my duties and responsibilities. O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely carry you in every of my thought. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on transforming all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely read at least one sloka a day from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi saying to Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, when Krishna Paramatma is getting ready to go back to his kingdom, Kunti Devi is praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Krishna, O Rishikesha, you have saved your mother Devaki Devi, who was there in the prison for so many years. Just like that, O Krishna, you have protected us so many times from so many troubles. Vishat, when we were fed with poisonous rice, you saved us. Mahagnehe, when our house was put to fire, you saved us. Purushada Darshanat, from demons you have saved us. Asat Sabhayaha, when the assembly was filled up with all the bad people, from that kind of assembly you have protected us. Vanavasa Kruchataha, when we were in the forest while going through so many troubles, you have saved, protected us from every trouble. Mrudhe, Mrudhe, so many times we ended up in battles, and from every battle you have protected us. Aneka Maharadha Astrat, in all the battles such a great warriors, soldiers, when they shooted their astras, powerful astras, from those astras you are the one, Krishna, saved all of us. Just like that, now also you saved all of us from the Brahmastram which is shooted by Aswathama. Krishna, I believe that whoever believes in you, whoever have faith in you, how many ever troubles they go through, from every trouble you are the one who protects them. While looking at all this, Krishna, I am feeling like I have to invite more and more troubles. Then only you will be with us. Then only you will be saving us. Then only you will be giving us your divine association. That is why Vipadaha, Santutaha, Sesvat, Tatra Tatra Jagadguru, Ho Jagadguru Krishna. That is why I am feeling like inviting, I would like to invite more and more troubles. With that, I can have you with me all the time. With that, I can have your Bhavato Darshanam Yat Syat. Those troubles have a capacity. Those troubles have a great ability to give us your darshanam. That is why I am inviting all the troubles. What happens when you give your darshanam? Not only those small troubles goes away, but also the very root cause for all those troubles is this cycle of birth and death. For the very root cause for all those troubles is samsaram, ego. Krishna, Bhavato Darshanam Yatsyat, with your Darshanam, Apunaha Bhava Darshanam. With your Darshanam, that samsaram, the cycle of birth and death, that ego, all that such a huge, big trouble will be going away. Krishna, that is why I would like to invite more and more troubles. Like this, Kunti Devi is praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 33rd sloka. Yeshamardhe kangshitam no Rajyam bhogaha sukhani cha taime vasthita yuddhe pranan tyaktva dhanani cha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.